Julius Debra.
Politician, Judas. Oh!
That was a minute he said.
Don't now say he wants to invest in your company. What? Yes! How?
$500 million.
What?
I will say when you signature to the company's account.
Tell me besides a sacred, you know. Oh, fine. I don't need the fine.